Hello everybody, Stephen Burns here, your instructor for the interactive online Photoshop classes. Now, this little tutorial is going to help you to kind of get logged in and answer any questions that you may have about getting online as well as getting your microphone activated. So what you've done is you've taken my workshops class. I'm going to target my workshop, and I'm also going to go right down here and target the online class. And what you have done is chosen one of these classes. Thank you very much. It's an honor to have you involved. And I'm going to use the beginning class in this example. I'll go ahead and target that. And you've already registered at the Eventbrite. And now, what's next? I'm going to be sending you a link that will get you registered onto that beginning Photoshop class. Now, every class is going to have a different link to get you onto the interactive online Adobe Connect. But once you receive it, you're going to put it right up here in your web browser window. So I'm going to use the beginning class once again as an example. And all you're going to do is put in experts.adobeconnect.com/Photoshop-BEG for beginning. So no www, you don't even have to put in HTTPS. Just put in experts.adobe.com /Photoshop.beg. So use that link there. Now you're going to come up to this page. It's going to look exactly like this. Make sure enter as guest is activated, and I'm going to put in here Steve Burns number 2 because I was playing around with some other ones earlier, and I'm going to enter the room. So what's going to happen is you're going to see my computer. In fact, I'm going to play around on my computer and bring up Photoshop, and I'm also going to play around with adjusting my mouse to various sizes. I'm also going to go to a hard brush to a much softer brush so that it gives you an idea exactly how interactive this is going to be. Now I can see you here. There's the Steve Burns number 2. I'm going to target enable microphone. So then my Steve Burns number 2 will now have microphone rights. Now before this wasn't showing, but now it is. You guys target it, connect my audio, and when you hit allow, that's going to allow you to use audio. So I'm not going to do that now, but be aware that's what you're going to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and log out of this and go explore how to get your microphone set up. Let's go over here to our start menu. I'm using Windows, access the control panel. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to use your system preferences in Macintosh, and you're going to access your sounds. I'm going to go here, target sounds. Now I'm using a headset, and so under the recordings, I want to make sure that my microphone, which is my Logitech wireless headset, is activated for me. So whatever your USB device is, you're going to make sure it's targeted as default. So target it and then target default. Make sure it's a default, and then you're pretty much good to go. Adobe Connect is going to recognize it. I will make sure to have the online Adobe Connect room up on about 30 minutes before class starts. Go on and log in, and then we can get any bugs worked out ahead of time. And then once you've done it the first time, you'll remember what to do for the next few weeks ahead of us. So it should be a piece of cake for you. Okay, so hopefully that's going to have answered all your questions, and I will be here for the next few weeks with you. We're going to have a great time. It's going to be an educational and a fun experience, and a worthwhile one. So this is Stephen Burns. I look forward to working with you, and let's go have some fun.